As people get little grey here, so I don't feel like them are invalid. Alright, I come in. Kiss out me!
Daddy! That's what I talk about, man.
The Lord is my shepherd.
Man, I a shepherd today.
No. Never go say, I could have feel them pain. I'm not trying to feel like.
Daddy, what you do here? You can't go on the man tree.
So what wrong with that? Me can't, the tree not there to climb.
But is that yours? That your yard?
You know you can't turn them, make the apple that turn up in the tree and spoil.
By the way, how you know somebody here?
Or kind of question that? Lily girl, what's my name? How are that?
Sugar water.
You know that the little cup?
Daddy, take this up and drink it now.
Then hold on there. Spider-Man now no piece of bread round there.
Daddy, just drink the sugar and water now. And drink everything.
Lily girl, a source of sugar this? No lime, no in there, no nothing. Hold this. Lord have mercy. We must catch diabetic.
Daddy, it's diabetes. Are you still not answer me yet? What you do here?
Me want to ask you something. You know alright?
Yeah, me and Tony alright.
Me not talk about she. Me soon get to she. Me talk about Uno. The two of Uno.
Daddy, me and Shappy is not together. We just have the business together. That's it.
Is not Spider-Man me did attack still? But that will be for another day. Oh! It will be for another day. I did tell you, Denise, that you'll be going on a journey. A very long journey. And it looked like the journey start. No, you kiss out me, caramba!
Daddy, you alright?
I did tell you, say I need that 2 slices of bread, you know. Lily girl, let me have a word with you, no? Listen to me, and listen to me good. He's a good picnic, with a good heart, seeking to do good deeds. Never turn around people that don't mean you no good.
Yes, sir.
I can see hot Kalalubon dog. We are going places, good places, but you will have to take yourself away from that cesspool that you're in. Because the longer you stay in shit, is the more you start smell it. You come catch me up, go to the door there. The pain still there.
Come.
No, take time, you do it on this.
Let me hear. I'm going to tell you, say, come out of the tree. Furthermore, you should leave the update in the first place. Tony, lock back the door.